Morning, members of the Gritwork Railway. Morning, Wyatt. Morning. And guys, wait, it's morning? I couldn't tell, considering the fact that your black arse is in the way. And it certainly is a great one at that. Nothing can ruin my feeling. I feel so ready to get out and do some more. Are any of you not awake? Ugh. And it's ruined. Hello, Pullman. You seem a bit, eager today. What's up? What's up? What's up? Don't you know what time it is? No. It's almost time for the big express train I'm supposed to be pulling. Mr. Banks said I'm to pull it, and I expect that there should be a coach waiting for me there eventually. I hadn't seen one, nor the full rake. It's because we just woke up. Regardless if you just woke up or not, I want one of you all to get moving and collect them. I'll be there waiting for one of you. Good day. I'll get his coaches. Don't worry, guys. I'm on my way. Next time, Wyatt, wake up early and bring those coaches in on time again. You know, next time if I wake up late, you get your own coaches, you lazy bastard. Typical Wyatt. He'll never understand how important taking the big express is. So Wyatt, mind running that by me again? Ugh. Pullman always has something to complain about. He doesn't bother. He always seems to find ways to somehow hurt me. He thinks I don't do enough around here. But as you can clearly see, you are doing a lot of shunting. I have other jobs to do too, you know. But not today. It's my day off. Have you ever tried telling him how you feel about being belittled? Well, here's the thing though. I do explain it to him a lot, but he doesn't get it. He's a tender engine. Again, as I said before, he can take just as much he can collect his own coaches. That's all I'm trying to say here. And I'm just big oof moment right here. Listen, Wyatt, if you have a problem with how Pullman treats you, complain about it to Mr. Banks. He'd understand. You know, Tim, I guess you really do have a point right there. Right. It's been nice talking to you. I'm gonna take my train and get out of here. I'll see you later. Thanks for arranging it, though. Bye. Complaining about this, I'm almost becoming like Pullman. I'm only complaining about it just to hide my feelings for carbon. It's taking a toll on me. Hello, Wyatt. Oh, hi, Bart. Did you say that you have feelings for carbon? Yes. Dude, you gotta tell her eventually. And you gotta complain. I don't know if I can. Or even if it's even the right time for me to do so. Bruh, the more chances you have alone to think to yourself, you could actually be going up to her and talking to her. You know, you actually do got a point. But again, I do have a lot to think about, especially with Pullman being such a massive Pringle in the house. I get what you mean, but it's best not to think about Pullman. He's always like that. You got a point. So how about you get out of the siding? I'll take over with all the shunting and rearranging the coaches and what have you, and you go over and talk to Carvin. Oh, okay. Excellent. Alright then, Bart. I'm gonna go ahead and tell her how I feel. Good luck. He's gonna need it, alright. I really needed a break. It's what a real engine needs after a long run. Oh, hello, Wyatt. Oh, hi, Carbon. Didn't expect to see you here. I didn't expect to see you here either. Oh, I found you. I'm glad no one's around. Oh, alright, what's up? Yay, Carbon. I just wanted to say, oh yes, Carbon and Wyatt. Just the engines I've been looking for. Oh, dang it. Oh, hello, Mr. Banks. Oh, hello, sir. Hello, indeed. So, what did you want to, say? No, I can wait. Sir, what are you doing here? Well, Wyatt, there's, what's his name? Oh, Gerald the Jubilee has broken down. Aw, man. What does that have to do with right now? You see that line of cars? You're supposed to be taking them up to the mine. And you suppose that I'm supposed to take it? Not just you, but Carbon as well. Oh. Alright, sir. We'll take it. Excellent. I know I can always count on you, you lot. Now, I'm gonna go back to my office and file some more papers. What a strange controller of the railway we have. Aye, indeed. So what was that you were gonna ask me? Oh, maybe it can wait. Alright, let's just get this train over with. We'll double head it. Great. You ready, Wyatt? Yep, I'm ready. Okay, we'll pull out here at a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Just more. Yeah, we did it. We made it up here. All in one piece. What a success. Should we head back to the yards? No. Let's just go into those empty sidings. Carbon, I need to tell you something. Okay. Finally, we're up here. Wyatt, there's something I've been wanting to tell you too. Oh, alright, but it's okay if you want to tell it first. No. It's better if you did. If you told me first. Ladies first, after all. Yeah, alright. Wyatt, ever since the day we first met all the way in that colory back when 16 was around. Don't you mean Warrior? Yeah, that's his name. Well, I've grown to like you a lot. I've grown to like you too. And we've had a strong bond even with the others around. Yes, indeed, that's true. We've, hauled our loads together. We've done practically everything together. Alright, so, Carbon Deary, what are you trying to say? Well, Wyatt, let me just... Huh? Where do you think... And what are you doing? Whoa! Mm? Wyatt? I love you. Funny that you say that, Carbon. I love you too. I had a feeling. That was so beautiful. Hey, Bart, are you crying? No, I don't cry. I'm American. Oh, oh, you need any help? Just leave me here. Congratulations, and you lot. Right. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Marcus. Did they really just follow us up here and see that? I'm pretty sure they did. You wanna go home? Yeah, let's go home. But first, no, not Carbon, you're Carbon. Let's get Bart back on the rails, shall we? Sure. Please do. My funnel itches. Should we tell the guys that we are now a thing? Nah. We'll let the others find out eventually in good time. I find it amazing still that they were able to do it. I didn't know they had it in them. Ah, well. We taught them good. We taught them good. And they all went home and bloody had some sleep. Have a good day.